A few minutes with nature. Grapes. Grapes are a type of fruit that grows in clusters of 15 to 300 and can be crimson, black, dark blue, yellow, green, orange, and pink. Botanically a berry of the deciduous woody vines of the flowering plant genus Vitis. Grapes are a non-climacteric type of fruit, generally occurring in clusters. Brought from Spain, Spanish explorers introduced the fruit to America about 300 years ago. Grapes are a type of berry. They have a leathery covering and a fleshy inside, similar to blueberries. There are no more than 8,000 grape varieties from about 60 species. The main types are American and European. Rambutan. The rambutan is natively to Malaysia and commonly cultivated throughout the archipelago and Southeast Asia. The rambutan flourishes from sea level to 1,600 or even 1,800 feet in tropical humid regions, having well-distributed rainfall. The tree has oblong tapering leaves, rounded at the base, and yellowish-green flowers borne along the older branches. The fruit is spherical and 15 to 20 centimeters in diameter. Pineapple. The pineapple is grown as a small subtropical plant. The pineapple is indigenous to South America, where it has been cultivated for many centuries. The introduction of the pineapple to Europe in the 17th century made it a significant cultural icon of luxury. Further, it is the third most important tropical fruit in the world production. The plant has 30 to 40 stiff, succulent leaves, closely spaced in a rosette on a thick, fleshy stem. In commercial varieties, about 15 to 20 months after planting, a determinate florescent forms on a flower stalk 100 to 150 millimeters in length. The originally separate light purple flowers, together with their bracts, each attached to the central axis core, become fleshy and fuse to form the pineapple fruit, which ripens 5 to 6 months after flowering begins. Fruits of commercial varieties range from 1 to 2 kilograms in weight. Major modern growers of pineapple include Costa Rica, Brazil, China, India, and Thailand. Oranges. Oranges are believed to be native to the tropical regions of Asia, especially the Malay archipelago. Along with other citrus species, they have been cultivated for remote ages. Orange culture probably spread from its native habitat to India and the east coast of Africa, and from there to the eastern Mediterranean region. Today, oranges are cultivated in subtropical and tropical America, northern and eastern Mediterranean countries, Australia, and South Africa. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is an exotic fruit grown in tropical regions of the world. It is native to South India and is part of the Moraceae plant family, which also includes figs, mulberries, and breadfruit. Jackfruit has a spiky outer skin and is green or yellow in color. One unique aspect of jackfruit is its usually large size. It is the largest tree fruit in the world and can reach up to 80 pounds in weight. Peach. The peach, also known as the Prunus persea, is a deciduous tree native to the region of northwest China between the Tamen Basin and the north slopes of Kunlun Mountains, where it was first domesticated and cultivated. Papaya. Papaya is a small, sparsely branched tree, usually with a single stem growing from 5 to 10 meters tall, with spirally arranged leaves confined to the top of the trunk. The lower trunk is conspicuously scarred where leaves and fruit were borne. The leaves are large, 50 to 70 centimeters in diameter, deeply palmated lobed, with 7 lobes. The fruit is a large berry that is generally spherical or cylinder in form and about 15 to 45 centimeters long and 10 to 30 centimeters in diameter. Mangoes. Mango is a stone fruit produced from numerous species of tropical trees belonging to the flowering plant genus Magniferia, cultivated mostly for their edible fruit. Most of these species are found in nature as wild mangoes. The genus belongs to the cashew family Anacardiaceae. Mangoes are native to South Asia, from where the common mango or Indian mango Magniferia insea has been distributed worldwide to become one of the most widely cultivated fruits in the tropics. The fruit takes 4 to 5 months from flowering to ripen. Mango trees grow to 30 to 40 meters tall, with a crown radius of 10 to 15 meters. The trees are long-lived, as some specimens still fruit after 300 years. In deep soil, the taproot descends to a depth of 6 meters, with profuse, wide-spreading feeder roots and anchor roots penetrating deeply into the soil. Dates. Commonly known as a date or date palm, is a flowering plant species in the palm family Anacardiaceae, cultivated for its edible sweet fruit. Although its exact place of origin is uncertain because of long cultivation, it probably originated from the Fertile Crescent region, straddling Egypt. The species is widely cultivated across northern Africa, the Middle East, the Horn of Africa, and South Asia, and is naturalized in many tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Date trees typically reach about 21 to 23 meters in height, growing, forming a clump with several stems from a single root system. Dates have been a staple food of the Middle East and the Indus Valley for thousands of years. There is archaeological evidence of the date cultivation in Arabia from the 6th millennium BCE. The total annual world production of dates amounts to 8.5 million metric tons. Countries of the Middle East and North Africa being the largest producers. Cherries. Most cherry species are native to the Northern Hemisphere, where they are widely grown. Commercial cherries are obtained from cultivars of several species, such as the sweet Prunus avium. The name cherry also refers to the cherry tree and its wood, and is sometimes applied to almonds and visually similar flowering trees in the genus Prunus, as in oatmeal cherry or cherry blossom. Wild cherries may refer to any of the cherry species growing outside cultivation, although Prunus avium is often referred to specifically by the name wild cherry in the British Isles. Bananas. The banana plant is the largest herbaceous flowering plant. All the above ground parts of a banana plant grow from a structure usually called a corm. Plants are normally tall and fairly sturdy and are often mistaken for trees. Cultivated banana plants vary in height depending on the variety and growing conditions. Most are around 5 meters tall. Leaves are spirally arranged and may grow 2.7 meters long and 60 centimeters wide. They are usually torn by the wind. The banana fruits develop from the banana heart in a large hanging cluster made up of tires with up to 20 fruit to a tire. The hanging cluster is known as a bunch, comprising 3 to 20 tires, or commercially as a banana stem, and can weigh 30 to 50 kilograms. Worldwide, there is no sharp distinction between bananas and plantains, especially in the Americas and Europe. Banana usually refers to the soft, sweet dessert bananas, particularly those of the Cavendish group, which are the main exports from banana-growing countries. By contrast, smoother cultivars with firmer starchier fruit are called plantains. In other regions such as Southeast Asia, many more kinds of bananas are grown and eaten.